welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, hello, my name is Linda, and today I'm doing a product review on something that hasn't even been released yet. These are the new Kat Von D eyebrow pomades. These are set to be released on April 20th, and I was able to get early access to these at IMATS New York. They do have normal eyebrow colors, you know, various shades of brown and dark brown and black and blonde and things like that. But of course, it's Kat Von D, so she came out with some really bright colors, and I'm super excited to try these. I really had this idea of kind of an ombre sunset eyebrow, so fingers crossed that this works. The packaging on these is absolutely stunning. The front is carved and has these little skulls in it, and I just really love the attention to detail that went into these. As you can see, these have not yet been touched. They are both smooth as hell. I'm a little concerned about the yellow. It looks a little more pastel than I was thinking, but we shall see. So now I'm gonna zoom you guys in and let's see what we can do with these brows. I'm going to be using the new Kat Von D brush number 70, and this is meant specifically for eyebrows. And I'm going to go in with Daffodil on the inner corner. First, I'm going to try it by itself, and then we will see if it needs a white base first, because my eyebrows are pretty damn dark. So if you want completely solid yellow eyebrows, you will have to probably use a white base, but I actually don't mind my normal eyebrow hairs coming through. I think it's a cool look. This brush is amazing. Ooh, now I got lipstick. Ew. Now I'm gonna go in with Scarlet. I'm gonna overlap the yellow a bit to make it into hopefully an orange. Let's see if this works, and going into red. That's so cool. So what's weird is that in the inner corner, it almost looks like it's pulling green on my monitor, but it is yellow. I mean, it is bright, bright, bright yellow. This color is Daffodil, by the way. I love these. I think it's so much fun. Like, I don't know, I really kind of dig it. A little bit of product goes a very, very long way. So use a very little bit, do not use a lot. I don't know, I kind of dig it. Cue the random beauty guru montage. So these do release on Friday, April 20th. I believe they're retailing for $19 each. Don't necessarily quote me on that, but would I buy these? Abso-frickin-lutely. They do have plenty of bright colors. They also have one called Bleach that is sort of, you know, a beigey pink undertone, so it almost makes it look like your eyebrows have been bleached off. They have white, they have black, and then they have normal colors. They have purple, pink, green, the green. I'm so pissed I didn't get it, especially because it's called Lemmy, but still, a little bit goes a very long way. I'm super, super into these right now. I really love it, and I think it's super fun. So kudos to Kat Von D for coming out with a new product, because I feel like you don't see new things come out that often, like really genuinely new. That's it, you guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that notification bell so you can be notified every time I post a new video. You guys can follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and Vigo Video. Those are all GlitterFallout. You guys are super rock stars. I love you, and I hope you have a fantastic day, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.